Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. I wanted to chat a little bit about something that is a constant worry for people who are just getting into beekeeping. And that's stuff like ants or cockroaches or other little jumping spiders sometimes. I've seen grass spiders hole up on inner covers. And the question is, what do you do about that, and how much do you worry about that? Well, my answer to that is always, and in regard to almost any pest inside your hive, keep strong bees. Keep strong hives, and they will keep the pests at bay. And that's why usually you see them on the inner cover and not inside the hive. It's because those bees on the inside of the hive are doing what they should be doing, and they're keeping them out of the area that would cause them trouble. So I never worry about bees or about ants on the inner cover. I just knock them off and just go about my business. If the hive inside or underneath the inner cover doesn't look great, then I consider combining them with another hive or reducing their overall space, and then that'll increase their ability to defend the area, and you'll see less issues with ants and cockroaches and spiders and all that. But if you have a nice strong hive underneath the inner cover, the ants aren't an issue. If they were, the bees would deal with them. Now, wax moths are an issue. Wax moths can destroy your equipment. But once again, keep strong bees and they won't let the wax moths in. If your colony is only occupying 4 or 5 frames, put them in a nuke. Don't leave them in a 10-frame box with 10 drawn frames. They might allow a wax moth to come in and ruin a couple of those. But once again, if you see ants on the cover, and then even in a lot worse situations than this, there'll be tons of them, and there'll be a bunch of little eggs that they're carrying around. Those have nothing to do with your bees. Those are the ants' eggs. And once again, if the bees inside had that much of an issue with it, they would take care of it. That's why they're on the inner cover. So don't worry about the ants. Keep strong bees. Make sure your bees are occupying the full cavity that you gave them. And if not, condense them down or combine them with another hive. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees and your ants. See ya.